All right, a very good evening, everyone. My name is Mrinaldhar. I'm the co-founder of Pinaka Transformations, and I have with us Nupur Saxena, co-founder and the trainer for the day. She's going to take you through the emotional engine of the granular self, the storytelling part. Let's see who
Hello.
all are joining us.
Yeah. So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes, Prinal, and let's see who all are joining right now. So we have. Uh, hmm,
Okay, 5 people are watching us right now. Uh, the registration link has been sent to a lot of people. They would take a couple of minutes to join, so please stay with us. In another 2 minutes, Nupur will start with the session today. Hi, Ashwini. Welcome. Hi, Dave. Welcome. Another 1 minute, guys, and Nupur will start. All right? Just another 1 minute. All right. I would request Nupur now to begin the session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mrinal, and a very good evening to everyone here. This is Nopur, and first of all, namaste. Hello, everyone. Today it is Sunday. It's 5 p.m. tea time, and I'm very thankful to everyone who is here at this time. So let's make the best of it today. I welcome everyone from behalf of Pinaka Transformations. As Mrinal has already introduced, my name is Nopur and I am the co-founder of Pinaka. We have Mrinal Dhar, who is also a co-founder of Pinaka, and we have all you lovely guests here with us today. So yeah, my I will have a small request here from everyone that for the next 1.5 hour, that the time we are spending together, I want you to just relax and just come and be yourself as who you are, which you are not able to be anywhere else because we play so many different roles. We have to pretend. So just dedicate this particular time which you have chosen, Sunday evening. It's a very beautiful time. Please just relax, be yourself, who you are, no judgments here. So yeah, that's my request, and thank you. I am going to assure you on my side that it is going to be a very safe space for everyone here. Okay. And when I say safe space, it means that you can be who you are, you can be yourself. Sorry, there was some technical glitch here. It's all sorted. Yeah. So as we said, this time which we have here, it's about, as I mentioned, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड आवर स्टोरीज. हम लोगों ने बचपन से सुना है स्टोरीज होती हैं, कहानी होती है. हम जब सोचते हैं तो कहानियों में सोचते हैं. क्या कोई यहाँ पे है? एंड प्लीज बी वेरी इंटरेक्टिव, वेरी ओपन. एज आई सेड, इट विल हेल्प all of us to have a better time here. So, अगर मैं आज आपसे पूछूं कि आप कैसे सोचते हो, आपको बचपन की कौन सी चीजें याद हैं, तो आप मुझे क्या बताओगे? कुछ लिखना चाहता है? कोई कोई कहानी है, या कोई कोई ऐसा कोई मोमेंट है? तो हम लोग को नंबर्स तो याद नहीं रहते, लेकिन बचपन में सुनते थे ना, गाने तो बहुत याद हो जाते हैं, कहानियां तो बहुत याद हो जाती हैं. So, this workshop or webinar or this conversation here is just going to be how to understand ourselves through the stories which we have listened to all our lives. Through the stories, yet, more than the story, I just want to ask you, what is it that you remember most in the story? बचपन में कोई कहानी पढ़ी, बचपन में कोई मूवी देखी, बचपन में किसी से बात करी, अपनी फैमिली को देखा, तो सबसे ज्यादा क्या याद रहता है? मैं शेयर करूं, मुझे लगता है हम सब लोगों को याद रहते हैं वो कैरेक्टर्स. जो कैरेक्टर्स और डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स लोग प्ले कर रहे होते हैं. किसी ने कोई मूवी देखी हो तो उसको शायद स्टोरी से कम अटैचमेंट होता है, किसी कैरेक्टर्स से ज़्यादा अटैचमेंट होता है. सो आप लोग अगर प्लीज़ शेयर करें कि आपकी लाइफ में कौन से वो कैरेक्टर्स हैं. वो आपकी फैमिली से हो सकते हैं, वो आपने कुछ पढ़ा हो उससे हो सकते हैं, जिन्होंने आपको बहुत अफेक्ट किया है या आपको वो याद है. Can you please share? I would love to see anything which, or anybody wants to come and talk about it.
Any character you remember, anything you remember from your childhood.
It can be anything from a movie also, like कोई बचपन में मूवी देखी, वो याद रह गई, तो वो कौन सा कैरेक्टर है? कुछ कोई शेयर करना चाहेगा? And as I said, no judgment here. It can be Avengers. It can be something from a story जो बचपन में कहीं पढ़ी हो. So, yeah, Cinderella. Thank you, Surbi, for sharing Cinderella. So, what it is about Cinderella? We actually don't know that we love Cinderella more than the story itself. It is the character of Cinderella which is making her story. If there was somebody else, if there was Nupur in place of Cinderella, the story would have been different. The choices would have been different. If there was Surbhi in place of Cinderella, will the story be same? I don't think so. So today, let's understand what defines us, what are the characters we play, what are, and then what are the stories which keeps on going in our mind through those characters. So yeah, like Surbi is saying, she would have slapped her stepmom, so the story would have been different. Yes, thank you, Surbi. I mean, I think I would have done the same. I don't know about. So yes, it's mostly the characters which makes the decisions for us. And being talked about, uh, I understanding our story, we need to first go into who we are. What are the different roles we are playing in our life? And that is why we have to go root to the root of our story. That root is, पेड़ के तने की जो root है वो है different, our different personalities or characters. So let's so I'll give you a kind of a small exercise here, okay? Because this is a webinar, we also want to share with you a tool which you can use. And I'll take go through with my example here, because I have been a very uh, like a person with self doubt, self no confidence kind of thing. I used to think this way, not knowing that what is going on inside, which is making me think. Somebody will come and tell me, don't think this way. I was like, okay. It's like telling someone with fever, don't have fever. It does not work that way until and unless we go to the root of who we are. So, all of us here, can we do a small exercise which will make us understand a little bit? Okay. So, we all have our names, Surbi, Nupur, Mrinal, and everyone here who is. We all have our names. Mrinal, would you also like to read uh, from the chats if anyone is writing?
Yeah,
Because
I'll definitely
my
do that.
screen is
I'll
somehow
share it.
not okay. Okay. So I'll give an example. If I have to talk about my characters and my different selves, when we talk about now understand ourselves, know yourself, but what is that self? कैसे समझे उसको? कौन है? कहाँ है? सो आई गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल. वो जो सेल्फ है, मैं एक अपने बारे में बात करती हूँ. मेरा नाम नुपुर है. मैं एक मदर हूँ. मैं एक वाइफ हूँ. मैं एक राइटर हूँ. मैं एक एनजीओ वॉलंटियर हूँ. और मैं एक एम्प्लॉय हूँ. सो बिफोर I talk more, I also want you to please write down what do you think are your different selves or different characters which you are right now playing. It can be not active, it can be somewhere that it is not active right now, but this is something which you relate to. So, and please also
So
write it here.
you need to write down about your selves. Okay, for example, I am Rinal Dhar, and what are my different selves? My first self, which comes to my mind, is a neuroscientist. I am a cognitive neuro coach. Okay, that is my first self. Okay, so similarly, you would have a self. Write it down. I am a cognitive neuroscientist. I am a cognitive neuro coach. That is my first self. The second self, when I ask myself, who am I? And the second self is, I am a son to a mother. I am a son to a mother. That occupies my lot of time and space. That is my second self. What is my third self? My third self is, I am an entrepreneur. I am a co-founder with Pinaka Transformations. That is my third self. What is my fourth self? My fourth self is, I am a spiritualist. I am a devotee of Bhagwan Mahanandmai. Okay, that is my fourth self. So these are my four selves. Similarly, all of you have selves. Write it down. That is what Nupur is asking you to write down. Whether those selves are active or not active.
एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू मेंशन, प्लीज डोंट रैशनलाइज इट. ओके, ये तो मैं हूं नहीं. जो आपके मन में आ रहा है, वट एवर इज कमिंग इन योर हार्ट, जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. ये नहीं सोचना कि अरे ये तो मैं हूं ही नहीं, अभी अभी तो मैं इसका कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा. इट डज नॉट मैटर. जो फीलिंग आ रही है कि मैं ये हूं, जस्ट राइट इट डाउन.
All of you. So,
ओके.
uh, Prince, write down about all the cells, whether you are, whether those cells are working or not working. Doesn't matter. Write down all the cells you think you have. Focus on your cells. Write down all the cells. You are a project manager, self number one. You are a father, self number two. You are a husband or a wife, self number three. You are a passionate musician, self number four. Whatever number of selves you have, write it down
Just write it down.
and give them proper name. Prince, what is the self, working self? Like, what is the name? Are you a project manager? Are you a financial crime expert? Whatever it is, give it a proper name.
Learner self, very nice, very nice. Like, this is something which is always beautiful to give it a name, because sometimes we like to explore new things, but we don't know what to call ourselves. If someone, because we have been always defined with what we do, whenever we meet someone, it's about, okay, what do you do? So instead of that, who we are. So yeah, freelance analyst, consultant, self serial analyst, mother, wife, a daughter, daughter in law, sister, good friend, beautiful human being, and much more than a relationship. Very nice. So, thank you, Surbi, for sharing it so honestly. And thank you, Prince. If anyone else would also like to write anything, as I said, this is your space to just express who you are right now. Passionate L&D professional, Dave is saying, loving daughter, uh, doting wife, affectionate sister, and happy spiritualist. Wow. Thank you, Dave. So, quite a few people have been able to, okay, Ashwani, spiritual freelancer, intelligent soul, learner self, hardcore energetic create, faithful friend. Yeah, yeah. So we have so much of information right now, and this is for a start to knowing ourselves. Now, yeah, we'll come to that, Prince. We'll come to that why we frequently, we'll go into the why of all these self and why you feel emptiness. Okay, so that is the next step. So I assume that a lot of people must have written down their characters, their self, and I can see a lot of information here. Thank you everyone for sharing it so honestly. Now what we'll do, all these cells we have, they are creating so many of our stories, but let's understand how is the communication happening. So who is communicating with them, in what way, so that you are creating, let's say for example, I'll give you my example. When I say I'm a mother, daughter, NGO volunteer, Vipassana lover, L&D head of an organization, these are the things which I say. So now I'll share what do I feel about being all these, and how do we actually realize it. So now I'll tell you about that there is a different language through which your brain communicates. I am communicating to you right now in English, Hindi, and we all have our different ways of communication. But just think about it, when a baby is born, it has no communication language. The baby does not have any clue about who he is, what his cells are. What is the language our brain understands? Can anyone share or would like to share? Please, I would love to, have more. Thank you, Surbi. So, anyone would like to share? What do you think? And there are no right and wrong answers. What is the language our brain understands? What is the language of a baby who, when coming into this world and he or she is being held? Is there a self? You don't know. But the baby is understanding everything. How? Just mention whatever comes to your mind. There's no rational right or wrong answer. Okay, Surbi, very good. Emotions, yes, 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 yes. Feelings, yes, yes, very good. So, the whole webinar which we are doing right now will help you to understand how your emotions are talking with your characters and creating your story. Feeling of warmth, yes. Prince, safety, yes. So the first feeling which your brain understands or your body understand, nervous system, yes. Thank you, Ashwini, is the feeling of warmth. That is the first thing. We are supposed to be held and kept warm. So if I talk about myself right now, I'm going to show you how these different self talk to me. So I'll tell you how warm I feel as a mother. I feel 8 out of 10. How warm I feel as a wife, I will say 6 out of 10. How warm I feel as a uh, Vipassana lover, I will say 10 out of 10. And how warm I feel as an LND head, I will say 2 out of 10. Okay. Now, if you ask me the reasons, I'll give
Yeah,
my
just hold
example.
on, just a
Yeah.
moment. So Nupur has given you an excellent way to go deeper into yourselves. Now Nupur said, as a mother, she feels 8 out of 10 warmth. As a mother, warmth is how good you feel about that self. Okay, how warm, how good you feel. It is 8 out of 10. As a wife, how warm, what kind of warmth does she feel? It is 6 out of 10. Okay. As a Vipassana lover, she feels 10 out of 10. Warmth. How good does she feel as a Vipassana lover? And as an L&D head in an FMCG company, she feels 2 out of 10 warmth. Okay. So that is the first step she's taking. She's using the language of the brain to identify how good does she feel in those cells. Now, all of you write down how warm, how good do you feel in all your cells? Whatever number of cells you have written. As a financial consultant, do you feel 6 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 10 out of 10? As a boyfriend or a girlfriend, do you feel 5 out of 10, 4 out of 10, 10 out of 10? As a passionate musician, do you feel 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10? What is the warmth you feel in all those cells? Write it down. And if you can, write it down in the chat also.
Yes.
Awesome. So you have written down how warm do you feel in those cells. Now Nupur will give you the next step. The next step is she will tell you why does she feel warmth and why does she not feel the remaining warmth. For example, if Nupur says that as an L&D head in an FMCG company, she feels the warmth 2 out of 10. So Nupur will tell you why does she feel 2 warmth and why she doesn't feel the remaining 8. What is giving her the cold vibes? She will talk about both. Over to you, Nupur.
Yeah, thank you, Mrinal, and thank you, everyone. You must have written it all yourself. So, as Mrinal said, as a mother, I feel eight, and there are so many reasons. I will also talk about that I feel a sense of connection. I feel responsible for him. I'm able to spend time with him. I have the privilege to be at home with him, and there are reasons. Maybe the other two or three reasons, which is more of that I think I need to spend more time with him. I sometimes am not able to give him so much healthy food as expected. So these are some of the reasons. But as I go into as an L&D head of an organization, I feel two. I feel two. And the reasons for this level of coldness I feel can be because of it's not can be, I am still trying to just justify it, which the reasons which I know are that okay, I am not being given the decision making things. I i work to implement a plan which is not implemented. I'm not being given a reward in terms of appreciation and in terms of taking this thing seriously. So it's feeling invisible at work. Those feelings give me a feeling of being cold, feeling this war. So that's the reason I feel too as an L&D head of an organization. Now I would this is the example which I'll also go further into it once we uh, go deeper about the other
So
languages
all
of
of
our
you
brain.
write down how why do you feel the warmth? Suppose you feel 8 out of 10. Why do you feel 8? And why do you get the remaining 2 cold vibes? So you feel 8 out of 10 warm, but 2 out of 10 you are feeling cold about it. What
Yes.
is giving you those cold vibes? You have to write it down. Excellent, Prince.
One
Very
vibe.
good. You're doing
Yes.
fantastic. Now write down what is the warmth you are getting. One.
In
One. What is that one? Where is that one coming from? Warmth. And the remaining 9. What are the reasons you are not getting that warmth? What are the reasons you are
so
not getting the remaining 9?
yeah, he has mentioned the reasons also here. Thank you, Prince. From my work ethics, okay, I feel I have no one to live for emptiness. Okay, from my work ethics.
Prince, can you elaborate a bit more?
Okay. I feel warmth when my work is appreciated. Okay, thank you. Thanks. I would also request people, everyone. So, if you don't want to come and speak about it, you can just share it us with the chat, or you can just write it down in your paper. But when we share, we also allow other people to share. So everyone deserves a little bit appreciation. Yes, thank you, Surbi.
Okay. Now let's go to the next language of the brain, which is safety. Now Nupur will introduce safety for all the cells.
Yeah. So as we said, now baby, how does it feel warm? And the second thing is to feel safe. These are the only instincts which our brain understands. So until unless we talk to ourselves in that language, uh, it is like that. It might remain blocked. So I'll give you an example here, talking about safety. How safe I feel in these same self. So I'll just take two examples here. As a mother, I say I feel safe on a scale of 1 to 10, it's 10. uh, the reasons are that there I feel that there is stability, and I feel that there is acceptance about, being able to just be in a society. Being a mother gives me freedom to go, okay, I am a mother. I know that this, as I said, there is nothing to rationalize it. But when I talk about being an L&D head, how safe I feel, I will say five, 4 or 5. The reason is because somehow it is giving me the financial stability and also my identity, which can be talked about. Which, if someone is asking me, what do you do? I will tell, this is what I do. This gives me a sense of acceptance. So, even though the feeling of warmth is just two, the feeling of being safe in that identity has increased. And it's just a way, even though it can look like, okay, it should give me a being an L&D head, but yet the feeling of warmth and safety are totally different for me. So these are the reasons I will say safety, because somehow I feel that I don't know how long I'll be able to sustain it. I don't know how long will I be able to play that self and character of being that L&D head. And this makes me feel like that I have to uh, just continue this identity somehow right now. So yes, these are the things which so similarly, if I ask you that you mention, how safe do you feel in all those characters? You have talked about feeling warm and you have given them, but being warm and being safe are, you will realize, just these are two totally different things. So yes, and you can also, as I mentioned, share it here and just be very open. Don't judge it how you feel, just write it down, and also uh, the reasons behind it.
You must mention, for example, you say in that self, you feel safe 4 out of 10. So you must mention, why do I feel 4, and what are the reasons I don't feel the remaining 6?
and the reasons can be like, I would also like to share, we sometimes don't realize the reasons until unless we really think about it. As a daughter, let's say, I feel on a level of safe, I feel 5 or 6. And this, because I realized when I did this exercise, it has always been like, in my childhood I was being, constantly sometimes told that, okay, you this clumsiness is there in you, don't go to kitchen, you will make it. So the story in my head was that I might not be able to go into kitchen and manage it properly without breaking anything, because these are the voices in my head as a daughter which kept running. So whenever there was something in my family, there was a sense of anxiousness in me. What will I do? But when I realized it's because the feeling of being safe as a daughter is just 5 or 6. So, and the feeling of being warmed, I feel very warm being a daughter because I feel there's a connection. But do I feel safe? No. So that's where the anxiety, the everything is coming from. And the feeling of, okay, you might not be able to do anything properly, that the voice which was. So this exercise has helped me in that way a lot. Totally safe, not in fear of anything apart from the only one God. Okay. So Surbi has a question. Yes, Surbi. So Surbi has sent a very good message. I said it possible that sometimes I feel. Uh, Surbi, I would request you to come on the stage because you have shared a beautiful message, which I also know that people will like a lot. Let's do this after we have all the answers. Warmth 10 by 10 and sometimes 0 by 10. Okay. Okay. So all this exercise is a kind of knowing yourself, knowing your character, knowing your story, what makes you do what you do. As I mentioned, right, that's, I feel that if I do this, if I keep doing this role of L&D head as an identity, maybe the society will love me more. you know so that is the kind of decisions we take sometimes, because that's how they make us feel. So the language of the brain is, as we mentioned, warm and safe. So in all these characters, feeling warm, feeling safe, these are going to be different. You will have so many reasons. I'm sure you must have written so many reasons here of the way you feel. And I would actually, if anybody wants to share someone something, it so that it helped other people also.
So you have whatever number of cells, three, four, five, for each cell, you have to go deep into how warm do you feel about that self and how safe do you feel. You have to give it a number. Once you have given it a number, then you have to ask yourself, why do you feel that kind of warmth and why don't you feel the remaining warmth? For example, if you feel 4 out of 10 warmth being a project manager, then you have to ask yourself, what are the reasons I feel 4? Where is that warmth coming from? And what are the reasons I don't feel the remaining 6? What are the reasons for that missing 6th warmth? Okay? Similarly, for safety, if you do that, your whole character, all the characters, all the cells will come out in front of you. All right. We'll give it another 2 minutes for anybody has any questions. You can put them into comments. Anybody has any questions, you can put them in the comments. God has joined us, so God can speak.
Meanwhile, if Surbi has sent something me in the chat, can you come and talk about it, Surbi?
She hasn't joined the link. I have sent her the link twice.
Okay, okay,
Not joining using that link.
okay. Yeah, so I'll share. She shared me with me a very beautiful Bulle Shah ka lines where she mentioned पढ़ इलम ते फारिक हुए but कभी अपने आप को पढ़ा नहीं. So that is what she felt after understanding that this is like a kind of step towards understanding yourself better, understanding what emotions is driving you, what emotion is stopping you. So I think we
Nupur
have.
Surbi has joined us.
Yeah, thank you, Surbi, for sharing your thoughts on this. And I request you to please kindly share your thoughts with everyone here.
Yeah, so when I actually got to know about this workshop, I exactly could recall Bulle Shah जी का एक line that पर आलिम इल्म फाजिल होया कदे अपने आप में पढ़िया ही नहीं. Exactly like that, we read books, we read people, we even read people, no matter how many times we say that, don't judge. But even I'll tell you, I end up judging sometimes, and I'm trying hard to not to actually judge people. Uh, but हो जाता है, we end up judging. Also, I don't know why I feel sometimes I'm not able to understand myself. मैं खुद को ही नहीं समझ पाती हूँ. Very ironic because I'm a poet myself. And I should not say, but then yes, people have told me that I write beautifully. I'm very expressive when I'm doing poetry, but very, very contradicting whenever I'm trying to actually express my feelings. I don't know, because maybe because of past traumas, I'm not able to actually express it through words. So, मतलब मैं लिख लेती हूँ, मैं पोइट्री में लिख लेती हूँ, बट जब मुझे किसी से बात करनी होती है तो it chokes me. And when Prince was actually writing, I could, I was literally overwhelmed. When I don't know what exactly has happened, but I can totally relate that, and I was exactly thinking if I must share, if I can share this with you, again, मैं ये सोच रही थी that कि कितनी अजीब बात है और कितनी दुखद ये एक चीज है that हम जो थेरेपिस्ट के पास जाते हैं, I've been to therapist myself, to a psychiatrist myself. तो जब हम थेरेपिस्ट के पास जाते हैं तो वो इंसान या वो व्यक्ति जाता है जिसने कोई ट्रॉमा झेला होता है. वेरिन मुझे पर्सनली ऐसा लगता है कि जाना उसको चाहिए जो ट्रॉमा दे रहा होता है. तो जब मैं ये बार बार आपसे, because see, that is a person
Very
who's actually
true.
sick.
Very true.
That is a person
Very
who's
true.
actually sick, who made me come to this situation, isn't it? And somehow people I feel who are into depression are the strongest because somehow वो वीक हैं जिन्होंने आपको ट्रॉमा दिया है ना. मेरे को लगता है वो बहुत ही वीक है अपने दिमाग से. दे आर नॉट क्वाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग. जो इतनी छोटी हरकतें करके किसी भी तरीके से आपका डिप्रेशन के उस तक ला देते हैं, एंड डिप्रेशन से लोग निकल भी आते हैं। वेरी रेयरली people are not able to come out, and if they get help they will। और मुझे लगता है हमें खुद की हेल्प करनी पड़ती है। तो मेरा इसीलिए सवाल था बार बार जो मैं आपसे पूछ रही थी कि कभी कभी मुझे मेरे पति के साथ लगता है 10 out of 10 वार्मथ, कभी कभी मैं बहुत लड़ लेती हूँ तो 0 out of 10। तो मैं खुद को ही नहीं समझ पा रही हूँ। समटाइम्स आई फील दैट अगर मैं खुद को ही नहीं समझ पा रही हूँ तो कोई और तो मुझे क्या ही समझेगा ना। तो समटाइम्स इट्स
That's
कि
when
मेरे को क्या चाहिए।
you have mentioned, and I mean, it's very brave of you to actually share it with so much honesty in your voice and in your the way you were sharing it. But I actually wanted to ask you, when you were talking about the poetry thing,
हम्म।
how, on a scale of 1 to 10, what is the level of warmth you feel, as if
ओ,
you say as a poetry? Yeah.
I must say 100 out of 10 because I've literally, Nupur, I've cried while writing. I don't sit and write. I think Mrinal sir knows that when I write and when I even recite,
Okay.
I I end up crying because मैं इतने इमोशंस फील करके लिखती हूँ। मैं लिटरली रो पड़ती, मैंने कितनी बार, मैंने 4 4 पेजेस continuously, and I'm writing. If it's not like that, I'm rubbing, and I write with pen. It's very minimal cutting what I do when I do, and I don't sit and write. I write whenever I'm feeling something. I definitely feel 100 out of 10 when I'm writing. That is a
And how
level.
safe you feel?
Sorry.
How safe you feel?
I
How
say I feel very safe. Yes, 100 out of 10 for sure again, because I feel that my emotions are with me. If मेरे को ऐसा भी लगता है that मैं लिख के किसी के सामने पढ़ भी दूं तो मेरा मजाक नहीं उड़ा दे, तो मैं क्योंकि उसको एक पेपर पे उतार रही हूँ, मुझे लगता है it's safe with me. My feelings are safe with me. I'm okay to feel vulnerable in my own cocoon. Nobody can laugh at me. So it's okay. Even if I'm writing something silly, nobody will know. I feel safe there. Again, very contradicting because I'm very extrovert person and something has happened that made me so introvert. मैं अभी भी, मुझे लोग मिल जाते हैं, मुझे बहुत पसंद है दोस्त बनाना। I love making friends. But very ironically, I somehow am not able to make friends very easily nowadays.
Great, great. So yes, I mean, Surbi, the exercise which we did right now, I'm sure it will help you to understand yourself better, which you have
Yes.
already mentioned. Just bringing it again to your awareness, processing it, and being very honest. As we said, this is a safe space for all of us. There's nothing to rationalize. Even if you said, I feel zero warmth sometimes as a wife, and I feel 10 warmth as a wife, that's perfectly fine. That's how people are. We change. But yes, this exercise help us to understand better who we are. So thank you, Surbi. I think we have Rachna also here with us. Thank you, Rachna, for
Hi.
joining us. She's a very renowned coach herself. She has done a lot of work with somatics, but yes, we would like to hear from you. Can you talk about how you feel as your different selves, as your different characters you're playing?
Sorry, I had joined in late, but yes, I get a sense of what was happening here.
Okay.
Uh, so, as you say that different cells as a part of us, I thoroughly believe that we are a sum total of all our parts, and every part plays such a significant role in creating that whole, that and at different points of our life, one part or one self that is significant plays the role it has to. So there's no less or more, or uh, like or a part being more prominent than the other. But I think Like every part plays such a important role in its own way
Okay,
of that
okay.
self.
Yeah. So yeah, Rachna, thank you for sharing. It's like you said, there are so many different parts of us, and so we were just trying to break it down into the language which our parts understand. So, for example, if I say I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a NGO volunteer, I'm a Vipassana lover, I'm a writer. So my the exercise here, because I just want to
Yes,
share it
please.
with you again. The exercise which we are doing right now is that how warm we feel in these roles, because the language our brain understand is
Hmm.
that feeling of warmth when we hear, no, because the baby does not know any language, so our brain only understand the language of warm and being safe. So if I ask you to just mention all yourselves here, all the things which you are doing, or you, it cannot be active, it can be inactive also at this point.
Hmm.
But if you can share, if you're comfortable in sharing, or you can just write it down on the paper if you want, but if you're comfortable in sharing, we would love to hear from you.
Hi, Rachna. A very good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Mrinaldhar, and I've heard so many good things about you. I'm so, honored and privileged to see you here in this session, and thank you so much for taking time out.
My pleasure. Pleasure is all mine. I'm sorry I joined in late.
Not at all, not at all. Rachna, I just have a few questions here. Uh,
Sure.
we have many selves, all right, willy nilly, whether we like it or not, but we develop many selves. Okay, for example, I'm a neuroscientist. I'm a cognitive neurocoach. That is one self. The second self is I'm an entrepreneur. I'm co-founder with Pinaka Transformations. The third self is that I am a son to a mother, and my fourth self is I'm a spiritualist. I'm a very passionate devotee of Bhagwan Anandmai. These are my active selves. May I request you to tell me how many active selves do you have currently?
Okay, so I think the active cells that I have, one would definitely be the mother,
Right,
second would be the life coach, third would
right,
be the wife,
right,
and fourth would be I don't know how significant that is, but that self, which is a work in progress, so it's there, active, but it's not there as well. So I would not include that in the
right.
count of cells. So I would say four.
Okay, fantastic. Can you tell me the first self? Which self was it?
Mother.
Mother. Now, if I may, with your due permission, may I ask you how warm do you feel as a mother? What kind of warmth does it give to you as a mother? Out of 10, if I have to give it a number, how warm do you feel as a mother?
10.
10 out of 10. And how safe do you feel as a mother? 10 out of 10. 10.
10.
10. Fantastic. The next self would be your life coach.
Correct.
How warm do you feel as a life coach?
10.
Okay. And how safe do you feel being a life coach?
9.
Nine. Now, can you tell me uh, that one which is missing in the safety category? What is the reason for that one?
I think that one that I didn't give as far as safety was concerned was the unknown that is there in the future. Like it's a unknown path that I am treading on. So yeah, it's
Fantastic. Fantastic. Would you be able to deep dive into what makes it unknown? What exactly is it making it unknown?
So the path that I'm on, it's not been treaded before.
All
It's
right.
a new path. So I am like, you imagine a highway which is dark and you're driving. So you just know the next step. You don't
Yes.
know what lies 10 steps ahead. So as
Absolutely.
much, yeah, so that fact that it's only the next step that you know. You can't
Fan-
predict 10 steps ahead.
Fantastic. What would make uh, what would make it 10 out of 10? What would you like to see on that path?
I think what would make it safer and warmer would be the faith in the unknown.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Fantastic. And if you are comfortable, how warm do you feel as a wife? If you are comfortable, only when you're comfortable.
6.
6. And how safe?
6.
Okay. We won't go deeper into that now because we are on a public platform.
Sure, sure.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much. You've been a great, great partner here. Okay.
Thank you. I
All
I
right.
don't know how to put
Say-
my Nupur, please go ahead.
No, no, I was saying you were trying to say something. You were trying to ask something right now.
I don't know how to mute myself on this, so please ignore if I
Nine,
am
can
just
you
there.
please mute Rachna and
I'll mute you. I'll mute you.
or if you want your video on off, you can just share with us. We can do that for you.
All right. I think we've done a great job today. We had very fruitful conversations. Nupur enjoyed it with you guys. Nupur, you want
Yes,
to give your parting comments before we wind up?
yes, I would actually definitely want to. The person I am, without talking, I can't stop anything. So yeah, I think the main part is that this exercise, although it is just we it seems like that we are talking about different selves and we are talking about how they make us feel, and we actually want to know what will happen. Okay, once we do this, what will happen? So I would request that just may I have the metaphor for it, that if you take the name of the devil, the power of the devil diminish. So
Yes.
that's what we have seen in the movies and everything. So it's just about understanding your character in a way which, or self, whatever you want to call it. We have listened so many times, know yourself. Surbhi has shared the beautiful Bulle Shah ka Gana, not Gana, but I would say a very divine poem. तो नोइंग योर सेल्फ एक बहुत हमेशा से मेरे लिए एक वेग टर्म रहा था. कैसे नोइंग योर सेल्फ, बट कैसे? हर कोई बोल रहा है खुद को जानो, नो योर सेल्फ, बट यस दिस इज अ स्टार्ट की एवरी स्टोरी इज डिफाइंड बाय द कैरेक्टर वी आर प्लेइंग. लाइक सुरभि ने बोला कि उसको सिंड्रेला पसंद है. सिंड्रेला का कैरेक्टर अच्छा है, बट अगर सुरभि सिंड्रेला की जगह होती तो शी वुड हैव चेंज्ड द स्टोरी. शी वुड हैव स्लैप्ड हर स्टेप मॉम, शी सेड. So the story does not matter as such. If we want to actually go to the root, we have to understand the character we are playing and how that character is being is the feeling, how that character is feeling. Is that character feeling safe? What are the reasons? What are the reasons it feel cold? So once you have the sketch in front of you, it helps you to bring you little closer to yourself, you know, अपने पास थोड़ा सा और.
Thank
And then
you.
obviously there are next steps which we can take, which we should take sometimes to go on a path, to take the path of action for change.
All
So
right.
that is.
Thank you very much, Nupur. Just to quickly conclude it, uh, this is this is called the granular self. It's a trademark property of Pinaka Transformations. It took us 9 years to create this framework. This framework has three parts. Part number one is emotional engine, part number two is cognitive engine, and part number three is perception engine. The emotional engine helps you to unblock your emotions so that your emotions can attach to what you want to do in life. Part number two is the cognitive engine, where we work on your cognition, which is your thinking, so that you are able to uh, work with the external environment and find your objectives and goals, your purpose. You discover your agency and your ownership, your ego. Okay, and the third one is the perception engine, where you discover the topographical maps of your life. You discover what your life is made up of. Remember, the free will which we keep talking about, free will, free will, free will, that free will is available to you in engine number three, which is perception engine. Free will is not in the emotional engine, which is layer one. Free will is not available in the layer two, which is cognitive engine. Free will is available only in the third engine, which is the perception engine. So, in order to gain complete control of your life, you need to enroll in the program. This is a 5 days program, 3 hours every day for public, not for one on ones. For one on ones, we do it differently. But when we do it as a training program, the cohort based training program, it has got all the three engines, and we work with you on all the three engines to do what is the purpose? The purpose is to get complete ownership of your life, to get your agency back. Because if your agency is not with you, if you don't have the power to take the call, you will always feel that something is missing. You are not able to find your objective. You are not able to pursue your goals. You will always find something missing. In order to get rid of that, you need to enroll in this program. We'll be shortly rolling this program out, and we would be more than happy for all of you to join us. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful journey which Nupur and I will conduct with you. All right? So that's all from our side, I believe. Nupur, is it?
Yes, I think that's all. Sudhi, you want to say something? And also Dinesh is
You
also
want to
right.
say something? Yes.
Just a question that what is the minimum age group that this program can, have
18
minimum
years.
18 years is a minimum, right? Okay, yeah.
I
All
think
right.
It was a
Dinesh was
wonderful session.
okay.
It was a wonderful session,
Okay.
Nupurdi. I'm gonna call you Dee. Also, I want to tell you
I
that,
would love you to call me Dee. You have very beautiful.
yeah.
I know you are an amazing human at heart. I can see that. So yes, please do that. Nupur Dee is something I
Also,
love.
also, I want to tell you that since you said knowing yourself, even since I read, जितना भी मुझे मिलता है मैं बुले जी को पढ़ती हूँ गूगल से निकाल के कोई बुक क्योंकि इनकी है नहीं और उर्दू मुझे आती नहीं बट इनका एक गाना भी आपने बहुत सुना होगा फेमस बुल्ला की जाना मैं कौन so that
Yes.
is also very much and that is how I get connected with the program which was about today. I feel
Thank
sometimes it's about कहीं कहीं से आपको पहुंचा देते destination पे.
Yes.
yeah.
So I
So you
think I was
like the
manifesting this.
character of Bulle Shah Ji so much, right?
I don't know. Yes, I don't know. बुले शाह जी से मेरे को पता नहीं अभी 2-4 दिन पहले से मैं अभी अपने हस्बैंड से भी शेयर कर रही थी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मेरा कुछ तो या तो मैं बेटी रही होंगी आई थिंक मैंने मृणाल सर से भी एक बार पूछा था मृणाल सर से भी मैंने पूछा था कि क्यों ऐसा होता है कि कुछ लोग जिनसे हम मिले भी नहीं है जो हमारे रिलेटिव्स भी नहीं है जो हमारे पैदा होने से बहुत पहले ही पैदा हुए और बहुत पैदा होने के पहले ही मर भी गए उनसे इतना ज्यादा हमें क्लोजनेस क्यों फील होती है बिकॉज वो भी बड़ा फकीरी में रहते थे और वो भी बहुत ज्यादा जैसे हिंदू मुस्लिम बहुत लड़ाई होती रहती है तो मैं भी बहुत ज्यादा उसके खिलाफ हूँ कि इट्स जस्ट दैट you should love you should not keep this diversification. Why to bring so much of unnecessary chaos? Already इतना problem है दुनिया में. So just
Yes.
give love ना यार. I mean, there's just आपको किसी का
So,
नाम लेना लो,
किसी का
प्यार
सो
करो
ये
बस.
as you
हाँ.
said ना वो कैरेक्टर हम लोग शायद ये स्टार्टिंग दिस इज लाइक एज मृणाल सेड अपना इमोशंस अनब्लॉक करने के लिए हम ये काम करें जब तक इमोशंस ही अनब्लॉक होंगे वो फीलिंग ऑफ लव हाउ वी फील लव हाउ वी गिव लव हाउ वी रिसीव लव बिकॉज वी आर सो
लेकिन दी
चोक्ड इनसाइड
उधर तो इंटैक्ट है ना चीजें. प्रॉब्लम हस्बैंड के साथ होती है ना कि आज आज प्यार आ रहा है तो 10 out of 10, नहीं तो 0 out of 10. वो कैसे फिक्स कर रहा है? बिकॉज बिकॉज आई विल टेल यू समथिंग. I know the problem is not with him. The problem is with me because I'll tell you how I am. कि मेरी बात अगर मैं 4 मूलांक, ठीक है, I don't know whether you believe it or not, बट मैं थोड़ा सुपरस्टिशियस हूँ. मैं नंबर्स में भी बिलीव करती हूँ. तो जरा सी मेरी कोई बात किसी ने नहीं मानी, मुझे गुस्सा आया. आई नो इट इज ही सेइंग फॉर माय बेनिफिट, बट मुझे अपने ऊपर ही काम करना है, मैं ये भी जानती हूँ. बट वहां 0 out of 10 हो जाता है ना, पूरा प्यार वार्मथ सब कुछ. तो वो उस पे कैसे काम कर रहा है? वो
करेंगे
जीरो वो इंटैक्ट
करेंगे
रहेगा.
See, this is a very, very genuine, universal question
Beautiful.
you have shared,
Absolutely
Survi.
love it. Love it.
मतलब हर 2 दिन में तलाक हो रहा होता है और हर 2 दिन में 7 जन्म. आई लिटरली टोल्ड कि लोग ट्रिब्यून और आयन पे जाके शादी कर रहे हैं. मेरी बहन की भी होने वाली है. मैं आई विल नॉट डू इट. अदरवाइज आई विल बी स्टक विद यू फॉर 7 जन्म. आई विल नॉट डू दैट. आई वांट टू बी श्योर of what I am going to enroll into. I don't want to. Yeah, that's how. I'm sorry, guys. It's a public
No, no,
platform.
that's perfectly
Absolutely
fine.
love
We would also like to bring Dinesh also on stage if he's comfortable
Yeah.
because he has mentioned something. So Mrinal, he has mentioned my character right now is not in a comfortable position. So Dinesh, if you would like to just come up and share something with us. Hmm. I think Dinesh. Can you see Dinesh, Mrinal? Can
No,
you
I
help
can't
him?
see.
Okay, okay, okay. Um, so I think it was a very good time we spent. As I said, na Sunday evening, chai ka time hai, and with good conversations with each one of you, and understanding the characters. I will help you to again go through it. Just write down all the selves you have, give it a feeling of warmth, how you feel, why you feel that, why you don't feel that, and you will have a kind of story of every character you are playing. But do this exercise, it will unblock you. So Dinesh is asking how to switch on and Kanvam. Rinal, can you please help Dinesh in he want to talk about it? He Surbhi, you have to join link. So Dinesh, we can. So Dinesh, there's this link here. You'll be able to see this. Please click on it. So Prince has a good question. Okay, after कैसे बोलते हैं रामायण खत्म के बाद राम कौन थे? So yeah, but I think it's a good question. Thank you. The thing is, Prince, the learning is a continuous process. I remember you writing, no, that continuous learner, you like to learn. So learning in one go is something which sometimes it's not like that, okay, what you have learned in a tangible way, what happened today, but it's a continuous process. Today, what you have learned is what is the process of breaking your personality selves down, what is the process for that, what is the process of knowing yourself, and then also understanding that those selves does not understand any other language. If I come and tell you, Prince, don't feel this way, it will not matter. If anyone tell you don't feel this way, it will not matter. The only thing which will matter is the level of warmth you feel being this way, and what are the reasons you feel this way.
So, Prince, you need to Prince, you need to lay down all the cells. For each cell, you need to find out what is the warmth you feel and what is the safety you feel. And for each self, you have to ask yourself, why do you feel so warm or why you don't feel so warm? Why do you feel so safe? Why you don't feel that safe? But the exercise is you need to have specific answers. Once you have specific answers, you can get in touch with me and I will tell you what to do with those answers.
Okay. So thank you
Hi,
everyone. Have a very good
can you see me? Yeah, hi Mrinal, hi Nupur.
hi Prince.
So I've joined just last minute. I've got this link. So, but yeah, it was wonderful hearing the stories, and maybe I think my story would take time. So we can discuss it sometime later. And
Sure. Then.
yeah, it's what I've written was true that I'm not in a comfortable zone. There are multiple reasons for that. I feel comfortable in few of the things that I'm doing, but there are multiple things which are going on. See, I've been advocating one thing of self love. I've taken the sessions on self love and all those things. So you have heard the song like "तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं," but I have re-lyricated like "मुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं" kind of a thing. So
Okay.
unless and until you are happy within yourself, right? And what we are going through is we are making others happy. And I don't know, it happens with everyone. Females have their own problems, males have their own problems. And sometimes you don't have anybody to talk about it. And that makes the things more uncomfortable. That you can't even say those things or discuss those things, and you become remain in silence. That is sometimes like it's a deep psychology, I know, but yeah, that is happening with me right now.
Dinesh, what do you do?
uh, so Mrinal, I'm currently an independent advisor and consultant, but like from for the last 26 years I was working, and I've left my job last year. There were some org changes and everything, so I'm into all those independent advisory. I'm a trainer, coach, and all those things. So the thing
Fantastic.
is, after 26 years into corporate and BPO, BPM, ITS, health, all those industries, it's difficult to find out the clients. So your financial conditions and the crises are going on. There are multiple things. Kids have grown up, and at this moment, it's sometimes feeling like you've done nothing. Like been scammed. It's been like a lot of things which have happened. I'm not in a very good condition at all. But still, as Survi was saying that she was following Bulle Shah, I'm following Guruji. So it is some supreme power that you have to like trust completely, right? Where you
True.
can at least get like you keep on going. Otherwise, what will happen is you'll sunk in. हम लोग बहुत अंदर तक सोचते चले जाते हैं, एंड जब भी ऐसा टाइम आता है ना तो जस्ट लीव एवरीथिंग, no job applying, nothing, no work doing, and do whatever I want to, like even if I want to feel sleep, I sleep. But then again, at the back of your head now these things are going on, because as you said, I'm also a son and father and a brother, and so everyone has those expectations, and sometimes it feels like a man is nothing. The self is limited to like an ATM machine of a man prestige, and this is how we have been brought up. This is the
True.
societal norms that we are going through right now, and we all know the reasons, but we don't have the solutions. It's again, I've done a lot of things, and I'm currently also doing a lot of things because I just want to keep myself occupied. तो जितना जितना खाली रहेंगे तो उतना you tend to get the negative thoughts first, because you
Yes.
attract what you like. When Nupur was saying no, uh, say the name of devil, so I say कि जब नाम ही लेना है तो why to take a name of devil? Why don't we take in him something of like a Charlie Chaplin or somebody who can come and just make us happy, cheerful?
True.
So why to think of a devil? हम लोग डेविल का वो लगा लेते हैं घर के बाहर कि हाँ वो नजर ना लगे, बट दैट इज आउटसाइड नो. हम क्यों उसको क्यों इनवाइट करें? So we always keep to have those negative energies outside. Why to bring it in? Already इतना कुछ है inside. So that's my thing, and even I'm an extrovert. I don't hesitate talking to strangers, telling my story, and I believe everyone is an author. Everyone has multiple stories. It's only the thing that we have not put it on a paper. We have not published it. But you ask any person, the person would be having multiple stories in himself or herself. So that's all the things which, and I have penned down a lot of pointers and everything, so I have to give it a structure so that I can publish all my thoughts. Maybe one day it will be happening also. So those are the things which are happening in our a lot of things actually, not one but a lot. And this is one way of myself to attend, to listen to people, to see what kind of thoughts are floating around, to join the circles and making connects. That way, it makes you a little more safe. That yes, you're not alone. There are people who are, you don't know. It's the signal from the universe that you have to connect with these kind of people. So that is what I believe too. Nothing much, but yeah, a
Very
lot
true.
inside me.
And
Very
very nice of you to share. But also, I would like to say this thing you said, it resonates, I think, with everyone around us to have that kind of community which
Right,
lets us express who we are, and
exactly.
which lets us not judge ourselves or anyone else of how we, what we are going through, what we are not good at, what are we feeling right now. So, just acceptance of that like-minded people and having that community, yes, it's a very important. So that's why it was a beautiful, wonderful time we all of us had here. Of
Surely, and it's always good to actually talk to or connect to. Even if you're not speaking, it's better to listen to, because sometimes what happens is that if I'm feel like my emotions are coming out, but I need someone to talk. I need someone to share my thoughts, what I'm going through, because we all are living like fake lives. We are who we are. We pretend to be what we are not, and it's the perceptions which is there, and as you said, right, cognitive and the emotional side, because I am an emotional coach also, so I know these kind of things, and that is the most problematic thing, because I know my problems. I know the solutions, but I can't implement it, and that's the
yeah.
reason I'm looking for a particular coach to coach me properly, because I know these concepts well. But when it comes to you, so a doctor cannot operate himself, right?
True.
So that's the only thing that I need, because the time I have gone through, I was having my secured future and everything, but somehow it got disturbed, and now it is the time that I'm living the worst time of my life right now. And that's one thing, that the it is the material thing, right? So, and we can't live it. Most people say money is not everything, but I don't believe in that. Now facing that situation, I see money is a lot of things which can remove a lot of negativities out of you.
I
I
think
think
the
the
people.
worst times break all your illusions, all your
Yes,
borrowed philosophy to pieces and teach you the practicality of everything.
exactly. And Mrinal, I think it also shows the real faces of people around you,
Oh,
and
yes. Oh,
so
yes.
that is one thing I have learned. Like you might have thousands of connections on your phone. There must be multiple of followers, but you cannot call them at midnight like you want to talk to, or so if I start doing that kind of an exercise, which I usually ask in some of my training sessions to do, like if you want to take a help from someone, just take 5 names out of your thousands of people in your or hundreds of people in your list. Just give me 5 names or 6 names maybe. So if we start with six and then uh, somehow, and if I say okay, leave aside family and friends, now give me, तो वो और कम हो जाता है. तो जितना आप फिल्टर करते जाओगे ना तो वो बहुत कम मीन्स देर इज समटाइम्स यू फील लाइक वी आर लिविंग इन एन इल्यूजन ऑफ एवरीथिंग.
Yes.
We become happy with very superficial thing, rightly said by you, Mrinal, that there are certain things we are living very superficially, we are doing superficial things and we are believing in those, and we want to be in that kind of a cocoon of ourselves, and that is not somebody else has built for us, we ourselves has built that. And sometime
Yes.
back I was having a conversation like there was how difficult it is to handle Gen Z's. So who build up those Gen Zs? We are the people who are building up those Gen Zs, right? And we are now not taking that kind of a responsibility, and that they are not doing this or that. So who is responsible for that? So we have to go to the RCA of all everything, because now after that setback which I've got, uh, many things have come up, and it's not superficial. I've stopped interacting with the people I don't feel like okay, it's of no use. So I'm not saying I'm cribbing about that, but at least I know that okay, this is not the right person for me to interact. ठीक है, hi, hello, it's okay, fine. But not really. Like हम लोग कहते हैं ना हमारे इतने friends हैं, so are they your friends? Exactly. Yes or no? So वो वाला question जब आ गया ना, then when people stop picking up your phones when you are in the most need of it, that is the real test actually which happens. And it's not only with the friends. Now with the changing time, it happens with the family also, even in the immediate family. You are being associated with what you are, how much you earn. So if you just remove your titles, right? You said that okay, rate yourself against who you are and all those things. So I said even if you remove all those titles and just describe yourself in one word or like who you are, so that becomes very difficult for us to describe you.
True.
Just remove your bank balance, just remove your title designations, what you do, and then you have to describe yourself. It becomes the most difficult part, because I've gone through that one of the sessions and it was being asked like who you are. I was clueless, no answer.
No
Because
answer.
what I've done all my life is for somebody else, right? Not for me.
Yes.
Nothing for myself. So my identity comes to a zero. And now also, even if I'm working, I'm doing something, it's not for me. It's again for somebody else. All those worries, all those tensions are coming. But yeah, it's a phase of life. I know. If good times are not there, bad times would not be there. So it's a cycle which we have to follow. Something maybe universe is watching all of us, and yeah. So I believe in that. I believe in
So,
karma. So I don't know whether by intentionally or unintentionally something has happened. So I have to face this kind of a phase where like हाँ मेरे भी बहुत सारे myths टूट गए. Sometimes we also come or build that kind of an ego or something like हाँ हम ही कर रहे हैं सब कुछ, हम ही कर रहे हैं सब कुछ, and then वो जब स्टेट आता है या वो पोजीशन जब आ जाती है ना, तो तब पता लगता है कि हमने तो कुछ नहीं किया, ये तो हो गया. Knowing everything we do,
हो
all
रहा
those
था और
mistakes.
हमें लग रहा था हम कर रहे हैं.
हो रहा था वो हो रहा था, वो धीरे धीरे हो रहा था. वो यहाँ पर मुझे वो महाभारत में जो कृष्ण का स्टोरी आती है ना कि वो 100 गलतियां माफ है उसके बाद नहीं, तो उसको पता था कि 100 गलतियां माफ है, बट उसके बाद कुछ होगा, बट स्टिल वो 100 गलतियां करता रहा एंड देन आफ्टर दैट.
करता रहा.
तो कृष्ण के बुआ का लड़का था. आई एम नॉट रिमेम्बरिंग द नेम राइट नाउ, बट
शिशुपाल.
हाँ, शिशुपाल, राइट. सो वो गलतियां पता होने के बाद भी अगर वो कर रहा है, मतलब हम लोग भी करते हैं, knowingly unknowingly things are happening, and I've also stopped like why to crib, why to say bad things, and if you have to say something bad about something, So it's a kind of a critical feedback that you're giving to a person that you are doing this thing wrong. So say it upfront on the face, right? So that the person can improve or not. Because for me, there is no feedback. I say always feedback is a feed forward. So आपको अगर कोई फीडबैक ही नहीं देगा तो आप हम इम्प्रूव कैसे करोगे? एंड नोबडी इज परफेक्ट. हम लोग सब लोग बोलते ही हैं कि नोबडी इज परफेक्ट, but then we are always looking for the things which are perfect.
Which are perfect. Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
So,
Very
and
true.
I don't know why people are like, खाना अच्छा नहीं बना तो लड़ाई कर लिया, कपड़ा प्रेस नहीं हुआ तो लड़ाई कर लिया, मतलब कुछ भी हुआ तो ये दिक्कत, मतलब दीज आर वेरी स्मॉल थिंग्स. अगर आप मुड़ के देखोगे ना, यू गो बैक एंड जस्ट सी कि हाँ झगड़ा शुरू किस बात पे हुआ था. अरे खाने में थोड़ा सा नमक कम था तो डाल दो नमक. इट डजंट मैटर.
Actually,
झगड़ा नमक की वजह से नहीं हुआ था. झगड़ा
बहुत चीजों से
जो
होता है, वो
बुनियाद है वो
पाइल अप
बहुत
होता है.
पहले से बन रही थी.
हाँ, वो ना पाइल अप होता रहता है, और वो किसी एक
pile up
छोटी सी
होता है.
चीज है, वो स्पार्क जो होता है ना, वो स्पार्क वो नमक होता है. तो वो चीज दिक्कत कर जाती है वहां पे. वो एकदम से वो जो बर्स्ट आउट होता है ना, तो generally I'm not in a position right now, so I just avoid all this communications wherever these kind of things are happening. Firstly, inside the home तो मैं चाहता ही नहीं कि हाँ ये सब कुछ हो. So I try to avoid. Either I go to a walk or I just sit alone. That's my me time. And सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन वही होता है कि बार बार और अपनी गलतियां याद आती हैं, और एटलीस्ट कोई और वो गलती ना करे तो उसको अपफ्रंटली बता देता हूँ कि हाँ भाई ये गलती मत करना.
Right.
So whatever good I can, I do it. But yeah, there are still a lot of things to be improved. I just want to sum it up here because it's time which is going on for everyone. It's Sunday evening, so I would like to thank you to listen to me patiently. And
Very good listening to you, because you brought in a lot of details which give a perspective to why we suffer and what suffering really is. And yes, the practicality of things, philosophy alone is not important. It has to be practical. It has to be grounded in reality.
absolutely, absolutely, and that is what happens because you don't have to make the stories, right? You you can be a good storyteller only when you know the stories. You have gone through those stories, or
Yes.
if you have experienced those. So for
Yes.
me, it's the best storyteller is a person who has burnt his hand many a time,
Absolutely.
who knows the things in and out. The person who has like had all the amenities in his or her life, वो नहीं बता पाएगा वो स्टोरीज. आज हम अपने बच्चों को स्टोरीज बताते हैं ना, केरोसिन लैंप जलाकर हम लोग पढ़ते थे, हम कैंडल्स में पढ़ते थे, we were sitting in the hot humid weather and all those things, but हमारे घर में पंखा भी नहीं होता था तब, तो लाइट भी नहीं आता था इतना टाइम के. एंड nowadays children are like, हमने ही उनको वो वैसा किया है ना कि जब से वो आए तो एसी भी मिल रहा है, सब कुछ मिल रहा है, और ऑन भी कर,
टैब हो, सब कुछ हो.
सब कुछ होता है, सब कुछ होता है. उसके बाद भी वो यही कहता है कि हाँ मतलब कुछ नहीं है. So that is the irony actually, and we all have to face that out. We are facing, I don't know, but lucky enough to be a proud father, and they listen to me, my kids at least. But
Beautiful.
yeah, then we also have to listen to them as well, because होता क्या है, when they are growing up, see, you've spoken about a lot of things about the psychology, और psychology ये भी बताता है कि उसमें थोड़ा सा biology भी आता है कि hormones level भी change होते हैं, right? So when we study psychology, we know about all those hormones which are taking the chemical changes which are happening. And when you speak to a person who is just in entering his teens, or maybe in his teens or her teens, so it's not the same way that you tackle him like when he was like 5-6 year old kid.
Yes.
So that perspective should be changed. Talk to them sincerely, honestly, transparently, because I know today's kids, they are much mature in understanding things. And as a parent, when I talk to them clearly and upfront, then they support you. But if you try to control or overpower them, then I think that is the situation when it creates a scene.
True. True. they should not lose their agency. We are here to build the agency, not to
Exactly.
corner it. Agency should
Exactly.
never be cornered.
So because I'm going through that, I'm not being heard. So whenever they are talking or they're sharing something, I'm always available. Share
Yes.
anything or everything you want me to.
Yes.
Let it be X, Y, Z, A, B, C, whatever you want to. Just tell, say something, whatever is happening in the school or college or whatever. I'm there. Yes, you can. अगर कोई भी नहीं है ना, एटलीस्ट मुझे कॉल करके बता दो, so that it's not that you are at a failure or
Right.
nobody is listening to you. At least जब बड़े हो जाएंगे, because I have stopped keeping expectations from anyone. Because आप अगर expectations रखते हो और वो पूरी नहीं होती ना, then you will be feeling more bad about it.
और ज्यादा दुख होता है.
तो expectation 0 रखेंगे तो 10% भी हो जाएगा तो we'll feel happy. But if you're keeping it at like 90-100% and nothing happens, then you'll feel bad. अगर वो 50% भी कर रहा होगा ना, तब भी आपको बुरा लगेगा. But अगर आप 0
That is why in the Braidular Self, we train folks on following the cognitive engine where they have the full support of the emotional engine. You cannot think if emotionally you are being tormented. So उस दिशा में हम लेके ही नहीं जाते, उस दिशा में जाना भी नहीं चाहिए. वो दिशा ही आपको बर्बाद कर देगी. दिशा वही रहो जहां पे आपका इमोशन safe or warm हो. We'll discuss it. Fantastic. Thanks for
Surely,
sharing
thank you,
all the
Mridul.
details, Dinesh.
Thank you.
It was absolutely
Thank you.
wonderful listening to you.
Yeah, same here. Though I joined late, but yeah, I felt like okay, this is the right platform. Like okay, I can
Yeah.
talk, and it's no shame in sharing what I'm going through.
Oh, no. Vulnerabilities are the most beautiful treasure. We treasure them, we love them, we respect them. No vulnerability is to be ashamed of. Not at all.
Yeah, because those things are over for me now. Like लोग क्या कहेंगे, वो
Vulnerabilities
क्या
are the
सोचे.
reason you are human.
Exactly,
लोग
exactly.
कहेंगे
Because
पूरी
you are
गरम लाना.
vulnerable.
Exactly, that is the reason. शादी हो रही है ना किसी के घर में, तो आप लोग इतना खर्चा कर रहे हो.
ऊपर
You
थी लोग
you are
कहेंगे पूरी गरम लाना.
मतलब वो
I think
आपने
you are you have to mute yourself if you can.
you're asking me, Nupur?
No. I think there was some
No.
voice
Okay.
from behind. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I'm saying like you go to a marriage and you're just like okay, ये ड्रेस तो मैंने उसके वहां पे पहना था, फिर वहां पे दोबारा रिपीट कर रहे हैं. अरे रिपीट कर रहे हैं, सो व्हाट. इट्स उनकी शादी. अगर आप नए कपड़े पहन के नहीं भी जाओगे तो भी जिसकी शादी होनी हो ही जाएगी. बट एंड नोबडी इवन बॉदर्स. आपको पता भी नहीं होगा कि आपने वो कहाँ पहना है. वो किसी को भी एक दो को शायद याद होगा जो वेरी क्लोज, बट अदरवाइज इट्स लाइक फाइन. और जिसके घर में जब शादी होती है ना, तो पता ही नहीं होता मेरा वो सामान कहाँ रह गया. वो हाफ रेडी ही चले जाते हैं वहां पे.
Right.
तो ये सब कुछ ना वही है आप जो कह रहे हो ना कि परसेप्शन है. हम लोग वी स्टार्ट जजिंग एंड बिफोर पीपल आई वुड से इट्स वी हु जज आवरसेल्व्स.
Yes.
हमें वो स्किल्स नहीं है, हमें वो टैलेंट नहीं है, हम बोल नहीं सकते, हम स्टेज पे जाके ब्लैंक हो जाएंगे, लोग क्या सोचेंगे. तो ये ना हम अपने आप को जज करते हैं.
Right.
वी कांट डू दिस, तो व्हाई कांट. वो उस पे क्वेश्चन नहीं होता. मतलब हम लोग क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछते अपने आप से. एंड दैट क्वेश्चनिंग इज द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग आज की डेट में. दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई आई स्पीक टू पीपल, बिकॉज the people who understand like you, so you will be, if I'm having a one-on-one with you, right, then you will be saying, okay Dinesh, why are you feeling low, tell me the reason. Then I'll tell you then why this thing. So that 5 whys approach, right, which is very common in lean principles, so that is applicable in your personal lives also. Go to the root cause, define that, find that, where are you feeling happy. आपका जो है ना डोपामिन कहाँ बढ़ रहा है, वेयर यू आर गेटिंग दोज लेवल्स. आप हमेशा आपको you have to release those hormones from your side.
Yes.
At least do something. Maybe
Yes.
sometimes you're not feeling good enough. Okay, go out, walk in the, even if it's hot outside, go for a walk. आप आपका ना ध्यान गर्मी की तरफ चला जाएगा, पसीना आ रहा है, ये आ रहा है, वो आ रहा है, प्यास लग रही है, एंड यू विल जस्ट फॉरगेट व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ एट दैट टाइम.
Right.
So that
True.
diversion thing is, I think it's more important because
Yes.
no तो बहुत easy सुनने को मिलता है.
हाँ,
Yes और acceptance बहुत बहुत rare कभी कोई सुनता है या
बहुत
सुन
rare.
लेता.
बहुत rare.
So
ठीक है. We'll talk about it.
surely, Mrinal.
Wonderful, wonderful. Do stay in touch. I have put my number in the comment section,
Surely.
and it would be wonderful to stay connected and stay in touch. And
Surely.
Again, thanks to everybody, and we'll be rolling out our programs. We'll be coming up with more webinars and training programs very soon. So please watch out for us. All right.
Thank
Surely.
you, Dev, for sharing everything with so much honesty in your voice. Also, it was reflecting. And thank you, everyone here, for being with us. Have a very good evening.
And
Thank
see
you.
you soon.
Yes, see you soon.
Bye bye.
Bye.